A very fresh and a warm good morning to all the students. Today we are going to discuss further in the same chapter, that is large number, my dear. In the last class we have already completed exercise 3, that was all about the place value chart, how we used to put the gap or the comma in Indian as well as the international place value chart. I have explained you the place values and as well as the periods which used to come in Indian as well as the international place value chart. Today we are going to go further and we are going to discuss some more things on the same topic. Okay, and we are going to see that how we can complete the next exercise with the help of the topics which we are going to cover today. So, my dear, today's topic place value, face value, ascending, descending, and there are so many more. So, that we are going to discuss today. Okay, so it's very important. Expanded form I will discuss, the standard form I will discuss, how to write it I will discuss. It's very important to watch the video nicely so that with the help of this you can complete your exercise without any hurdle or problem. The first topic which I am going to start is place value. Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in the number, such as ones, tens, hundred. Means where the number is standing, what is the at which position it is standing, that is called as the place value of that number. It stands at ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, 10,000 place, and more than it go further, it go on. So that is the place value, my dear. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Okay, suppose I'm giving you an example like 6421 is there. If I will ask you what is the place value of 4 here, so how you can read it out? You can read it out from the last number, that is from the ones place, ones, tens, hundred, and that's thousand. So the 4 is at 100 place. Okay, so the place value of the number can be found through the place value chart. Means ones, tens, and 100 used to come in one period, that is the ones period. 1,000 and 10,000 used to come in thousand period. Lakh and 10 lakh used to come in lakh period. Crore and 10 crore used to come in crore period. In Indian place value chart there are 4 periods, whereas in the international place value chart there are only 3 periods. The digit in the number are read from the left to the right. Okay, when we have to read the digit, we used to read from the left to the right, my dear. When we are reading the digit, okay, it is completely written here. The digit in the number are read from the left to the right. So you can see face value and place value. The place value of a digit in a given number is the value of a digit because of its place in the number. The same thing where it stands, like 5 is standing at 1000 place, so the place value of 5 is 5000. 8 is standing at 100 place, so the place value of 8 is 100. 7 is standing at 10th place, so the place value of 7 is 70, that is tens. And 3 is standing at 1's place, so 3, the place value of 3 will be 1. So like this we used to identify the place value of any number in a given digit. As we have learned, the place value of number is used to be identified by seeing the position of the number from the left to the right. By reading the number from the left to the right, we can see the position of the number where it stands, and accordingly we used to write the place value. Whereas the face value of each digit in a number is the same as the digit itself. What does this mean, that same as the digit itself? Suppose 62641 is given. You have to write the face value of 6, then it will be 6 only. You don't have to see that 6 is standing at 100 place. Here the same number you have to write. Okay. In the same way, 2 will be at, the face value of 2 will be 2 only. The place value and the face value, you can see the face value is the number itself. So if we have to write the face value of 5, then it will be 5. If we have to write the face value of 6, then it will be 6. If we have to write the face value of 7, then it will be 7, which I have explained you with the last example which I have taken. You can see here also the face value of a digit in a number is the value of a digit itself, the same digit. The value of a digit itself means the same digit you have to write when you are writing the face value of any digit. Like the face value of 8 will be 8 only, the face value of 7 will be 7 only, the face value of 5 will be 5 only, and the face value of 6 will be 6 only. So there is no need of seeing the position of a digit while writing the face value. The face when we have to see the position when we are writing the place value. Okay, because face value we used to write the same number as it is. Now just see. What is numeral and numeration? You must have heard these two words in your exercise that used to be written write the number in numerals or write the number in numeration. What is numeral? A single digit or a group of digits represent a number is called numeral. Okay, a single digit means this is a single digit, or a group of digits means, okay, represents a number, okay, is called a numeral. Like 342 is representing 342 and 6 is representing 6. So this is a numeral. What is numeration? Writing a number in word is called numeration. When we are writing this 6 as SIX, or we are writing this 342, then this is called numeration. Okay, this is the difference between numeral and numeration. The next topic which I am going to discuss with you all, expanded form and the short form of a number. When we write a number as a sum of a place value of its digit, the number is said to be in expanded form. Means what? When we are writing a number as a sum of the place value of its digit, it is called expanded form. When we write a number using a digit only, the number is said to be the short form. These two I will explain you right now. There are three ways to write a number in expanded form. There are three ways to write a number in expanded form which we are going to discuss today. Let's see. You can see here the page which I have opened. In this, you are seeing that this is the number which is given of 5 digits, 43,257. So the first way for expanding this number is to write the number with the place value. Like 4 is at 10,000 place, so we will write 4 and 10,000. Plus, we will give the plus sign and then we will write 3,000. We have to mention the place value in words here. Then 2 is at 100 place, so we will write 2 and 100 we will write with it. Plus sign is mandatory to give after writing each and every place value. 7 is at 10th place, so we will write 7 tenths. And 5 is at 10th place, so we will write 5 tenths. And 7 is at 1st place, so we will write 7 ones. Then after, there is one more way in which we can multiply with the place values, like 4 into 10,000 we can do. It means that 40,000 only. It means 4 is at 10,000 place. We can give the plus sign. Again we can multiply 3 into 1,000 because 3 is at 1,000 place. So we can multiply it with 1,000. Then we will give again the plus sign. Again we will do what? 2 into 100 because 2 is at 100 place. So we will multiply that 2 with 100 and we will get 200. In the same way, we will multiply 5 with 10 because 5 is at 10th place. So 5 into 10 means 50. Then after we will give plus sign and lastly we will multiply 7 into 1, that is 7. These are the two ways which I have explained, in which either you can write the place values in words or you can write the place values by multiplying the numbers. Third way is the most easiest way I can say. In that, what we have to do, suppose it is a 5-digit number, my dear. You start writing from the first digit, that is 4. After writing 4, you see how many digits are left. 3, 2, 5, 7. I mean, it means 4 digits are left. Only you put 40 with this 4. You give the plus sign. Again, you see the next number, that is 3. After 3, how many digits are left? 3 digits. So we will put 3 zeros. Then we will give plus sign. After 2, how many digits are left? 2 digits. So after 2, we will put 2 zeros. Then after 5, 1 digit. Then 7. So this is how we used to write the number in expanded form. I think this is the most easiest way in which you will write, and you will never going to get confused, because here you don't have to see the place value, here you don't have to multiply or write the place value of the digits. You just have to write the first digit. After that, you have to count out on the number of rest digits, and then accordingly you have to put the number of zeros. In the same way, when you will write the next digit, you have to just count the next number of digits left and the number of zeros you will put. And when you will do with this third way, then you cannot get confused in any, and you can write the place value. You can write the numbers in expanded form if any big 4, 9, 8, 6 digit number is given, then also. See, as I was talking about big digit, then you can see here it is a very big digit number is given. 1 means till 10 crore it is given. It is a 9-digit number here. In that very case, if you will start writing the place value of 3, it will be 10 crore. It is coming at 10 crore place. 8 is coming at crore place. 6 is coming at 10 lakh place. 3 is coming at lakh place. 7 is coming at 10,000 place. 2 is coming at 1,000 place. Then 9 is coming at 100 place. 2 is coming at 10th place, and 5 is coming at 1's place. So this is how we used to do by writing the place value, okay, according to the first way. But according to the third way, if you will do it, it will be very easy. After 3, how many digits are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So only 8 0 we will put with 3. In the same way, after 8, 7 0 we will put. In the same way, after 6, 6 0 we will put. In the same way, after 7, after 3, 5 digits we will put. After 7, 4 digits we will put. After 2, 3 digits we will put. After 9, 2 digits we will put. 2 zeros means, 2 digit means here 2 zeros we will put. After 2, 1 0 will be put, and lastly 5 will be written as it is, because after 5 no digit is left. Okay, here we are not seeing the place value of any of the digit. Only from the beginning, when we have started writing the expanded form, we have seen the number of digits which is left after writing the first digit. After writing one digit, how many are left? Accordingly, you will put the number of 0. Then you will go further. Okay, you will move on. See, in this also we have done in the same way. Here it is, you are seeing 8-digit number it is. Okay, it is a 8-digit number. You can count it. It will be 6 crore 42 lakhs 1,897. Okay, so this also you will do in the same way. Okay, I think the third way is the most easiest way, which I have explained to you all, in which you are not going to get confused. Now here you will say, Miss, if 0 is there, then what you will do? You cannot leave 0 when you are expanding the digit, my dear. Please keep this in your mind. Like 6, after 6 you will put 7 0. Okay, after 4 you will put 6 zeros. After 2 you will put 5 zeros. After that, you don't leave the 0 here. The 0 which is written at 10,000 place, don't leave it. If it is given, you please mention that 0. Then you write the plus sign, and then you write 1. After that 3 zeros. Then you write 8. After that 2 zeros. Then you write 9. After that 2 zeros. And then you write 7. Don't skip 0 when you are writing in expanded form or in short form. Don't skip 0. Okay, sometimes if we used to skip the 0 and the place value, we used to get confused. So don't skip the 0. If at any place the number is not given, you will put 0. Okay, in expanded form, or either we are doing in short form. When we are doing the writing a number in short form, that is much easier than expanded form. In expanded form, we used to, like, it will be given to you in expanded form. What you have to do, you just have to remove the number of zeros in that, and only the digits you have to write, nothing more than that. Like it, you will write 6, 4, 2, then 10,000 places blank, so 0, then 1, 8, 9, 7. Only the number of zeros you have to remove and the digits you have to write, nothing more than that. In expanded form, you were putting the number of zeros with the digits, but in a short form, we only have to write the digits and we have to remove the number of zero which is given there. The next topic is more interesting, that compare the large numbers. The first, how there are two ways of comparing the large number. The first is the number with more digit is greater. If suppose here it is given 3, 4, 2 and here it is given 9, 8, 6, 1, you don't have to see the numbers of here. What you will see, the number of digits, means here it is a 3-digit number, whereas here it is a 4-digit number. So obviously the 4-digit number will be greater than 3-digit number. So we will put the sign of greater than in the 4-digit number side. Second way, if both the number have equal number of digits, then number that has a greater digit is the largest in the greater number. What does it mean? Suppose if 3 and 4 is there and 3 and 6 is there. Suppose this kind of number is given. Both are having two-digit number. In that very case, we start comparing from this side. It is also 3, it is also 3. Both are equal. It cannot get compared. It is 4 and it is 6. Which is greater? Obviously 6. So this number will become greater. So we used to do the comparison in two ways. Either by seeing the number of digits. If the number of digits are unequal, then the greater number of digits will be greater. If we are having number of digits equal, then we have to compare it, and then digit and at the place where there is a greater digit, that number will become greater. You can see here. See, there is a 8-digit number and 7-digit number. When you have to compare these two numbers, obviously the 8-digit number will be greater than the 7-digit number. So that 8-digit number will be greater here. Now, here what we will do? Here, both the places, it is a 8 digits number. Okay, till crore it is given, so it is a 8-digit number. What you will do in that case, my dear? You will compare. Here it is 9, here also it is 9. Both the place at crore place is same. Lakh place is also getting same. So 10 lakh. Now lakh place is also same. 10,000 place is different. Yes, it is 8 and it is 9. So we don't have to go further now, because if we are getting unequal number, we will start from the first digit, and if the first digit suppose is same, second is also same, third is also same, if in the fourth we are getting the unequal digits, okay, then no need to compare the rest all digits which are given after that. Okay, with that two digits, by comparing only, we can identify which is greater. 9 is greater, so the whole this side digit will become greater in that case. Suppose I am giving you one more example. If two number have different number of digits, then the number with the more digit is greater. That I have already explained, and it is the most easiest one. We don't have to do anything. We don't have to see the place value. Only count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a 6-digit number. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is a 7-digit number. Obviously, the 7-digit number is greater than the 6-digit, no need to see the place value here. Only the number of digits are only greater. So no need to see the place values and no need to do the comparing thing. So when we are having the same number of digits, then we used to face problem. Like here also you can see it is a 6-digit number. Here it is also a 6-digit number. In this case we used to face problem. If the number having the same number of digits, we have to check from the left to right. From the left to right. This should be remembered by you. Okay, so this is left side 8 it is, and this side left it is 6. So no need to go further. 8 is greater or 6 is greater? Obviously 8 is greater. So this side number is greater than the right side right side number. And the number with greater digit in the highest place is greater. So the highest place, okay, highest place is the 8. Highest place also it is written. So highest place is the digit which is at the first left corner. Okay, so 8 and 6 which is greater? Obviously 8 is greater, so no need to compare the rest all digit. We always used to start comparing the digit from the left to right. We never used to start comparing the digit from right to left. That we used to do when we are writing the place value of any digit, my dear. Okay, the place value when we have to write of the digit, we used to start reading from the right to left, because from the right ones, tens, like this the place starts. But when we are writing the number by comparing, we used to start from the left to right. One more example I am having. Here what I have did, here I have arranged the number in the place value chart, I think. You are seeing here, I have made the blocks and there I have made the arrange the numbers. What we have to do from the left to the right, we have to compare. Okay. So what we are doing, seeing that here say 3 and 3 is same, 6 and 6 is same, 1 and 1 is same, 8 and 8 is same. See my dear, it's not like that means you have made this blockwise column and then you have written the number according to the place value. So first while comparing the number we have to do this. No, this is just an example so that you will not have any doubt while doing the comparison. Okay, see if 10,000 places, 10 crore place is same, we are going to move to the crore place. It is also same, then we will go to the 10 lakh place. If it is also same, we will go to the lakh place. If it is also same, we will go to the 10,000 place. If it is also same, we will go to the 1,000 place. Lastly, if it is also same, we will go to the 100 place. It doesn't matter, my dear, how long we have to go while comparing the digits. Okay, we have to compare till that time when we are not getting uncommon numbers. If the same number will be there, there is no comparison. It is equal. Okay, if in all, if you will say miss in all, while compare after comparing all, in all 8 digit 9 digit number we are getting the same digit, then no problem, equal to sign you will give. You are knowing about equal to sign. When we are having 9 and 9 same it is, so we used to give equal to sign because both the nines are same, we cannot compare anyone. So here it is at 100 place, 1 is 3 is given and 1 is 6 is given. Obviously 6 is greater. So the number which is written downside, that will become greater. So you will put the sign of greater than to this side. Or if you are writing the number this side, then you will put the sign this side. That doesn't matter which side you want to write the number. Okay, like this we used to do the comparison of any number. So that's all, my dear. I hope you all have understood how we used to write the place value, face value, expanded form, short form, and comparison of digits. These 4 topics you will go through nicely, you will work out on this, and you will try to complete the exercises which will be assigned, or the questions which will be assigned to you as homework. That is all, my dear. Thank you, everyone.